Friend. Friend.
Okay, have you three friends? Okay, friends like kaibigan, kasimlang, ano siya? Okay, ako yung friends no, original team, second class. Thank you! Wala na, last at pa kayo, pangambong na.
Okay, up next, candidate number... Isa siya? 3. Ay, isa 4? Candidate number 4. Okay, your question goes like this. How will you define a true beauty? Beauty. Expound the word beauty.
Okay, but before I answer the question, Miss MC, I would like to extend my greatest opportunity to all the people who accepted me here in Santorini Bistro. Okay, pertaining to my question, how can I define beauty? Okay, for me, beauty, you cannot judge a person. Okay. Okay, so for me, beauty is a gift from God, but you cannot judge outside, but only in the inner look of the person. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, up next, candidate number 5. Okay, candidate number 5, Erich Gonzalez. Candidate number 5, your question goes like this. How will you expound the word discrimination? Discrimination.
Thank you for that wonderful question, Ms. MC. Before you answer that, let me state Article 1, Section 1 of the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines states that every individual has the right and a freedom of speech. I committed some mistake in answering your question, but still I will stand on what I've spoken. As a 16-year-old lady boy, for me, I can define... Excuse me. Again. As a 16 lady boy, I can define in myself the word discrimination. The word discrimination is a word that hurts me every time I hear it. It is a word that kills my heart every time I hear it. Ladies and gentlemen, I know that I cannot please somebody to love me and to respect me for who I am and what I am. I just wanted to slap them with my money in order and learn to respect me. But then again, nobody respects me. It is gained in the people who truly and understands you for what you are and who you are in the society. And by that way, I can say that I am a true blood and a Filipino respected Christian through the heart and in the mind. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, mga tagigisuhanon, I hope my answer gives justice to that question. Thank you and good evening.
Okay, what a very nice answer. Candidate number 6. Candidate number 5. Up next, candidate number 6. Okay, candidate number 6. Okay, your question goes like this. How will you define success? How will you define success?
Well, before I answer that question, I'd like to greet everyone a happy birthday in advance. Well, putting the question, how are we going to define success? Well, success, ladies and gentlemen, is the best achievement that a person will have for the future. And success... And success give us hope on how we're going to live life to the fullest after the all I have spoken.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 6. Up next, candidate number 7. Okay, candidate number 7, your question goes like this. How will you define responsibility?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Judges, good evening, and I hope you are enjoying there. So then, responsibility. Now, if you are educated and you have this education, you gain information. By that information, you gain knowledge. Knowledge that eradicates bigotry, discrimination, and also degrading people who are not into that. Especially by that, you are knowledgeable enough and now you